one I love. Your voice is calling to me in my dreams. My love is stronger than it's ever been. When the blue night is over my face, on the dark side of the world in space, when I'm all alone with the stars above, you are the one I love. When the blue night is over my face, on the dark side of the world in space, when I'm all alone with the stars above, you are the one I love. When I'm all alone with the stars above, you are the one I love.
This dance is Blue Night Cha, choreographed by Kim Ray. It's a 32 count 4-ball line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, rock forward, recover, shuffle back, right, left, right, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Section 2, side rock, recover, cross, shuffle, side rock, recover, cross, shuffle. Section 3, make a quarter turn left, step back on right, side left, shuffle a half turn to the left, stepping right, left, right, back, back, coaster, step. Last section, side, together, shuffle forward, right, left, right, side, together, left, coaster, step. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance.